Hi, my name is Marty Park, and I work in the Office of Knowledge, Information, and Data Services for the Kentucky Department of Education. And my question is, you got game? Or better yet, are you a game changer? I have the extreme fortune to travel to many schools and many school districts, working with technology and working with learning environments and how technology plays into teaching and learning is especially my passion. One opportunity that's afforded to me while traveling to school districts and being in different schools is the ability to see or to hear some buzz about how we can use games to learn from. Um, we know several things for sure with games. We know that games are fun, and we know that our students love to play games. As adults, we love to play games. We also know that if a game is fun, then we'll keep playing it. Since I've been in education, we've used games in different ways in our classrooms. But what I'm really excited about is the work that the P20 Digital Game-Based Learning Lab is doing with how we're using and choosing games, what that means to us, and then also designing games. That's a really cool part that I think is an extreme advantage for our students. I'd just like to take a second to look at a couple really neat opportunities. For one, we know that the Mission US game has hit big in Kentucky, and we're one of the top 5 states in the country who are utilizing Mission US. And I mean, by utilizing, I mean our students are playing these games to learn more about history. Another idea that I've seen in classrooms is Scale City from KET. And we're very fortunate that KET is passionate about delivering resources to teachers and students for learning. And this is just one example of a game where students can travel through an environment and learn about different scalings through specifically through Kentucky landmarks. It's a very neat opportunity. If you haven't checked it out, you need to. But more specifically, what I'd like to get into briefly is some opportunities. Again, the P20 Digital Game-Based Learning Lab partnering with several people to work through this initiative. It's a 2-year project from an HP Catalyst grant, specifically around students designing games. This is a great partnership with the Digital Game-Based Learning Lab. Dr. Mazer and Dr. Swan will tell us a little bit more about it. But it's a partnership with many folks, including our state STLP project. So if you have any students involved in STLP or any student in school at all who's interested in designing games, there's been some kickoff meetings at regional STLP competitions. There's scheduled to be some webinars and workshops. But really with the end result of learning how to design games. And this is from learninggamesnetwork.org. So we can get the link out and go check it out through any of the resources, whether it's the P20 Digital Game-Based Learning Lab, whether it's your school or district STLP coordinator, or straight from myself, or straight from our STLP statewide coordinator, Elaine Harrison Lane. So thank you for your time, and again, I'm just really excited about the work that's going on with digital game-based learning. We definitely know of engagement. We definitely know that we don't have to, there's not just one way to learn, which is sitting in between 4 walls and rows in classrooms. And that's why this is exciting, to get new opportunities out there for next generation learners, and using games for next generation learning environments. Thank you much, and I hope you enjoy your day.